All right, we're gonna start off with Night Shift, and this is a really pretty kind of dusty green. And I have a luminary base on, and I am just going to paint on top of this, and then we will move on to the next step. All right, I'm going to take Joan Crawford, and I am going to put this all over the nail. I'm going to concentrate in the middle because if you guys know, I like to keep the bulk of my gel in the middle. That is going to be a little bit thicker. All right, we're gonna take Perfect Black from Madame Glam, and we are going to fully coat this as well. Now, the fact that I use shards instead of like a smoother glitter, there may be pieces that stick up. It's okay, don't worry about it, just do your best. You can see it doesn't have to be perfect. All right, going back in with our original color, and we're gonna paint on top. Yes, yes. So you may, for this design, want to make your nails a little bit thinner because we are kind of loading this up, but not, I mean, it's not terrible. If you keep your polished relatively thin, you'll be all right. Taking off that tacky layer, and don't worry about pieces that are sticking up. Just make sure that's the area you're gonna file when we go in. So I grabbed a smooth sanding band, and I am going to etch ever so slightly on here through the different layers in random patterns. So I'm gonna turn my e-file on, so you might not be able to hear me, so I will do a voiceover if I need to.
Not today, just stay.
All right, I'm gonna go in with super shiny. You can do this matte. I think it would look really cool matte. But I'm gonna do super shiny. I did buff my nails. I don't think I recorded that, but I did do that. All right, again, I don't know if this ended up being Geode or Army, but I'm kind of obsessed with it. I think it looks so cool. I love the little details. I thought about adding some gold foil, but I think less is more in this case, you know? All right, don't forget I have a discount with Madam Glam. I will link it below, and I used these two colors. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.